Happy birthday, hon.
May ano daw dyan na hindi ko pwedeng makita. Iwan ko kung ano, guys. Vagina ata, guys.
Good morning, Philippines!
Happy birthday to me, walay pante. Happy birthday to me, walay pante. Good morning, guys. Ngayon is, kaarawan po natin ngayon. Matanda na po tayo. I-guess nyo lang, guys, kung ilang taon na ako. Comment down below kung ilang taon. Comment, ha? Ito yung breakfast natin. Si Tami nag-offer ng ano, nag-offer siya sa akin ng pancake, omelet, iba't ibang lahing pagkain. Hey, quiet. Hala, it's a big turkey. That's a turkey. That's a huge turkey out there. Honey, alone. Like a mother of everybody. Last na to, guys. Hindi na kami, niluluto ko lang siya kasi yun yung natira sa yung kinakain namin the last time. So, yun. Tapusin natin bago siya masira. Han, do you want like sandwich? Because I toasted bread for you. Drink your water because we're gonna do exercise later. Movement of the body. Exercise kami mamaya. Movement lang ba sa arm, sa legs, para din sa asawa ko. And yun, nagising ako 5 something. Pero natulog ako balik kasi alam nyo naman. Do?
In the plant section, I was going to get it.
Oh, there is?
Yeah. I should have picked it up. But I figured you would have yelled, so I left it alone.
Good. Yours is good.
Yeah, but we could have used it to disinfect things.
Honey, that's why you
have no mask, so that's why you could take your mask when you come in.
I'm making mask today.
I know, but then you still gotta be disinfected.
That's why you buy a lot of things, and you get wine and stuff that.
I know, but it doesn't. The UV kills bacteria and germs. You understand that?
Mm-hmm.
I know you too. Happy
When
birthday,
I'm old,
hon. Happy birthday, hon. You're not
I
old.
know. I don't want to say anything because they are guessing how old I am.
You're not telling them how old you are. She's 13.
Oh, somebody's jealous. Mag-ano lang ako, guys. Mag-i-edit ng video. Yun lang yung gagawin ko. I have my video already ready. I just make a thumbnail. Kailangan ko lang gagawa ng thumbnail for tomorrow. Because today, what my plan is, I'm going to do gardening. It says going to rain, honey. Today, hello, honey. Oy. No, it's not.
I thought it said that.
No, it's gonna be later. The temperature will change later, but for now, it's not. What are you doing?
Happy birthday, hon. What?
I thought there's no gift. Mrs. This is from Mrs. Thanks, hon. It's a necklace. This is from this is from your honey, this is from your.
I bought some stuff a long time ago when I sold.
This is what you said in the thing?
Yeah.
In the
safe.
In the safe?
I look like hell.
Thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you. You're not. Thank you, babe.
Yeah,
now I wanna look.
You gotta put your hand down first.
That's nice, baby. Thanks, hon. No, you cannot put it back. You cannot put it. It's nice. Thank you, babe. Thank you.
Yeah, it doesn't really go with t-shirt, but hey.
Yeah.
Snake chain.
Yeah, that's my dream. That's my dream chain. But this one over here is kind of broken. I mean,
Not broken.
It's just kind of
bent. It got a little cake to it from sitting there.
Yeah.
It's not broken. It's not damaged. Just from sitting there distorted, I guess.
Okay.
Got a little kink to it.
I wanna see your jewelry. Ito yung hinahanap ni Tami ng mga singsing niya. Ito yung wedding ring. Wedding ring. Ito yung binili niya na wedding ring na suotin niya palagi. Pero hindi niya sinusuot. Ito yung wedding ring niya. Hindi niya sinusuot kasi ano to. sa trabaho niya masisira. So, ito yung palagi niya susuotin. Kapag may okasyon, ito yung susuotin niya. Hindi niyo makita ba? At ito naman, I think galing ito sa ama niya. Ang laki ng diamond, guys. Oh, sobrang laki. I think this is from his father. And ito naman sa itan niya, sa grandma niya, pendant. Ito. So, hinahanap niya. So, ako yung may hawak. From Italy pa pala ito, Italian gold. Italian gold. 14 karat. Ang ganda. Totoong ba to? It's very old fashioned, guys. Matagal na daw ito niyang nabili. Old fashioned ito, guys. Makikita mo talaga yung style, oh. Ito siya, guys. Sobrang bigat. Grabe. Hindi ako maka-open ito. Kasi may ano daw dyan na hindi ko pwedeng makita. Iwan ko kung ano, guys. Vagina ata, guys. Okay, now oh, that's a very nice watch. That's a guy watch.
This is all solid gold.
Solid gold?
This is my father's.
Ah, it's your father's stuff.
I broke this when I was a kid.
Hala ka, Han. This is a nice... Hala, this is nice gold, Han. It's real, Han.
This watch would be crazy expensive. Crazy money this watch is worth. Look how thin that watch is.
It's very thin.
You know how old this is, too?
Yeah.
There's cufflinks and buttons for tuxedo.
For tuxedo. This, you're looking for cufflinks and you have it. What is it? Show me, Han.
I see it.
Show me.
This is empty.
Empty, too. Han, can you just show me, Han?
This is just old chains from other things, tags.
Oh my God, everything is like...
No, because I bought better chains to put on.
What's in there?
This, I know you can't see it.
Han, please.
No, no, you can't see it. Not because you get it as a gift at some point.
Oh my God.
We all LCD, eh? Oh no, this is watches.
Oh, that's your watch. That's the watch, yeah. Oh, okay, this is the watch. Oh no, this is not you. Oh, this is the watch you always wear.
I don't know why they're in the box, so I don't think I put them in that box.
Wait, who open it, honey? Oh, that's nice. What's in there? Honey, just give
box.
it. Just give it to me.
No. Put that in this box. This is an empty box. It'll fit better in this box.
This is fun, guys. I like this game. I like I like this game. This is from 12 years. He never opened this. I don't even know this existed. Hello, this looks like my thing.
Yeah, but I don't think it's empty. It's empty.
This looks like the jewelry you got me long time ago. Okay.
It's a bracelet.
It's a bracelet? Honey, show
The
me.
necklace, huh?
Show me.
No.
Just show me.
No.
My God. I saw you wear this
Here's my
before.
bracelet.
Okay, the necklace that you wore in the picture.
This is my bracelet.
This
the
is-
necklace I want in the picture you want to see.
Yeah, this is a real bracelet?
Yes, Lotto watch.
Huh? Nevada watch?
Lotto.
Oh, this is so nice, hon. My goodness to you. What kind of necklace is that with the...
This is mine.
That's not the necklace that I saw in the picture.
No.
I just want to hold the old money.
Those are $2 bills. They're all $2 bills to and stuff like that.
Love letter too. Can I see the love letter?
I don't know where that's from. You don't need time to read it, so I don't know where it's from.
Hi, nako guys. This is the hidden treasure of Tommy that I don't know exists. So, ito yung husband ko, guys. Start counting the coins for it. But, we don't have a roller. I know we have...
You knock them over.
I know we have a lot of like this before in Euroshell. It's just somewhere. I think it's hidden somewhere. So, ngayon, guys, nagbihis lang ako nito kasi lalabas tayo. And, hindi ko na lang ito mag-change ng pajama kasi... So, yun. Exercise lang kami and ipakita ko sa inyo. Kung hindi tayo magsaba kasi baka ayaw ni Tami pag may makakita. So, yun. Mag-exercise kami. No, but this is it. It's fine here. Don't forget about that. Here. It's just a little movement for legs and arm. You like, oh my goodness.
Push down.
My God, that's good for your leg. You will fly. You will fly.
Now bend the knee deep up. Watch your arms, biceps. Straight down.
Knee and ankle, hand, you balance hand. You look like Thomas. You look like Thomas. You don't know how to do anything.
Good.
I haven't taken off yet. Am I going to be fine then?
That's it. Now 2 steps. 1.
Two.
Good.
It's just like dancing.
You're nice.
Honey, you need movement. And you just can do like one like this, honey. Just do it like this. Just do like this.
Again.
It's okay. It's okay if you just do two as long as you move your legs. Oh, you go your hand like this, honey.
Switch.
Hand like this, go up.
Switch. Switch.
Very good. Very good.
And to the left last time. Left. Only as high as you
Hand.
Very good. 8
When you
more.
do like this, clap your hands. Come here, one time. For thumbnail. Hurry up. Come here, stay over here.
Now march in place right here.
Here.
Hold it.
Or something.
Good. All right. From the top. Let's go.
Nagkakat na si Tami ng wood for Roxy. Doon siya sa labas. So, ako naman mag-garden lang ako, guys. So, ito yung binili naming soil. Ito siya. Hopefully, magkasya ito. Pero I think hindi siya kasya. In the
It's
back
not going to
side.
make it longer. It's just going to support it.
Yeah, I know, but it's gonna be in the back.
No, I'll have it. Yeah, outside. So
The
it doesn't
outside
doesn't ruin part of your garden space.
42, and there's a little extra.
42.
Can you just half this?
I can do half, but then that won't be the whole length. That'll be short. But that's okay. No, it don't matter. It's still enough to keep it straight.
So where's the half? Right here, right? The half? You sure? Hindi ko ito alam kung paano gamitin. Pero Tami got this for I don't know.
This stays in the shade all the time from the house.
Really?
Yeah, because the sun goes like this. That's why I did here, because otherwise it's not going to get proper sun. What day is it?
Huh?
What day is it?
Sunday.
What Sunday?
My birthday. So here's Tommy.
Well, these go on the bottom.
Yeah, that's to catch the water. No, there's under one. Ito kailangan pa ng kulang pa ng ano. Kulang pa siya. There is no sea. Hi rocks. Need more soil then we start planting. Pero mag-ano muna ako dito. How much is the bag that we got? $3? For almost 4, right? Yeah. You call your kids idiots. It's time to put this thing, ano guys, para mag-enjoy na tayo dito sa labas.
You'll be able to do 72 plants with this.
What?
72.